All right, everyone, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at how to make some logos in under 5 minutes for free. But first, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. I make videos about making money online. I upload quite frequently. Also, there's hundreds of past videos you want to check out as well. And if you're interested in making a passive income, make money while you sleep, make money while you're on vacation, turn your passions into profits, get out of the rat race, join me. There's a link down in the video description below as well, the top one there. A huge community. You get a free membership, a huge community of entrepreneurs to help you out and learn and grow, and free training, free websites. You get a lot of cool stuff there. So check that out as well, folks. So let's dive into this. Okay, so first up is logomaker.thehoth.com. There's links in the video description below for this, and it's going to take you to a page just like so, and you can start creating your logo very quickly. It's already set up. You have text here, you have images and things like that. You can choose different symbols if you want. For example, let's go in here. You can upload your own photos as well. I'm just going to do a demo thing. I'm going to do it quickly, but there's so many images and things like that. Clip art. So let's just take, there's abstract, there's animals, pets, arrows, art design, there's automotive. There's a lot. So I mean, depending on whatever your business is about, or your website, or whatever you're trying to make a logo for, we'll just take this 3D one here. So we're gonna get rid of this one. Just put delete. Enlarge this one, and we can change all these colors as well if we want to, but just for the purpose of this demo we'll leave it the same. Go over here and change the white. You change that color to red, whatever have you. Then you can put in your own text here. My new logo, center that, and then we could add in some more text if we want. Of course, we could change the font and everything. So obviously, I'm just doing this real quick for the demo. You'd want to spend some time with it. But so there's my new logo. I think it's maybe a little. There we go. And you could, like I said, you can change the fonts. There's all kinds of things you can make. Business cards. So then, and then you preview it. You can preview it on T-shirts and things like that. Mugs. It's a little off in the business card preview. But anyways, then to download, you're just gonna hit save and download, and you're gonna have to put your email address in. And then you get a bunch of links, zip file of different formats and stuff like that, PNG, JPEG, that kind of thing like that, so that you definitely have different things. So, and then you can continue, and you can save this logo. You'll get a link to the logo as well, so you can edit it later if you want once you put your email address in. So that's cool as well. The next site I have here is Hatchful. This is a pretty cool site too. You can get started. And then you can choose your business space. Let's just say we're tech. Again, this is just for demo purposes, so I'm doing this quickly. Let's say creative. I'm gonna put your name in here. My new business, my new logo, or whatever. Slogan, optional. Some of them don't have. There's an optional. Well, we'll put it in. Yes, yes. Obviously, I'm just putting in whatever. So tell us what your logo will be used. We'll just put online in here. You could pick different things, business cards, swag, all this stuff. And basically they give you all these logos here created instantly. You don't have to do anything. Of course, you can edit these as well. Now this is just a quick way to make, okay, I kind of like this, so we'll just pick that. And then the optional, this one does not support the optional texts, so that's okay too. Some of them do, some don't. The yes that I put down there. And then you put, so you can change the colors, you can change some of the fonts. There's not too much you can edit on this. You can change the icons and stuff too, I believe. Yeah, but it's almost like a set and forget, or just automatic logo creator. And then you get, these are all free to download. You download this, you get Twitter banners, 2 different variations, Pinterest image, everything's set for different social media platforms. So it's really cool. So you get different sizes for everything, like your Facebook, your Twitter. So just go down and download it. Alright, so I downloaded all the files from the 2 different logo sites. This is from the first one, different, as you see, PNG with the transparent background and then just a white background. Hatchful was the the Facebook size one. What's this? Facebook cover, Facebook profile. Different. This one gives you different sizes. Some of the sizes are messed up here, like the LinkedIn one. They give you different ones here, like Twitter and stuff. So pretty cool, folks. A real quick way to make some free logos for yourself. If you're not that creative and you don't want to do it yourself, you can hire people on Fiverr. They make some really cool logos on here. You just go into Fiverr. There'll be a link again down below. Logo design. As you can see, they make something. You can hire people to do like $10, $5, $15, and yeah, you can see they're a lot better than the ones I just showed you. But you know, it's up to you. Pretty cool stuff on here. So anyways, folks, that is all for today. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. Again, if you're interested in starting your own business, create money while you're sleeping, turn your passions into profits, get out of the rat race, make money while you're sleeping, all that kind of stuff. Check out your free membership down below. There's a link in the video description below. Please subscribe to the channel. Check out my back catalog of videos as well. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.